Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are fine. Today we are going to start lesson 1, A Night in June. It is written by William Wordsworth. A Night by June by William Wordsworth is poem about the beautiful night in London during summer. So let's move towards words to know. First word is cuckoo. Cuckoo, it is a type of bird. Cuckoo को हम उर्दू में हम इसको कोयल कहते हैं. Second is gushes, means pours, floods, streams, जिसको हम बहता हुआ पानी कहते हैं. Gushes means बहता हुआ पानी. Piping. Piping means whistling or twittering or singing. चहचहाना means sovereign, means superior like that of a ruler. Sovereign जो बड़ा हुक्मरान हो उसको हम sovereign कहते हैं. Thrush, it is a type of bird. यह भी एक परिंदे का किस्म है जिसको हम चिड़िया कहते हैं. Yet, yet means still, even now, अभी तक. Dear students, this poem is written by William Wordsworth. So let's start to read about William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth was born in 1770 and he was died in 1850. He was encouraged to read and memorize classic poetry from a young age. He began to write his own poems when he was still a child. His poems became popular in his lifetime and he was a poet during for the last 7 years of his life. Many of his poems are about experiencing the beauty of the natural world. विलियम वर्ड्स 1717 में पैदा हुए थे और उनकी जो डेथ हुई थी 1850 में हुई थी. ये नेचर के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा लिखते थे. नेचुरल पोइट कहा जाता था विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ को. सो लेट्स मूव टुवर्ड्स द पोएम. फर्स्ट आई विल रीड इट. You have to listen carefully. The sun has long been set. The stars are out by toes and trees. Toes means two. The little birds are piping yet. Piping means chehchahana. Among the bushes and trees. There is a cuckoo and one or two thrushes, and a far off wind that rushes, and a sound of water that gushes. And the cuckoo's sovereign cry fills all the hollow of the sky. इस पोएम में शायर कह रहा है कि ये जब सूरज गुरूब हो जाता है और सितारे नज़र आना शुरू हो जाते हैं और परिंदे चहचहाना शुरू हो जाते हैं, वो दरख्तों में से चहचहाते हैं और जैसे कि कोयल की आवाज़ आती है और जब हवा की आवाज़ आती है और बहते हुए पानी का शोर होता है और जब कुकू की बहुत तेज़ आवाज़ आती है तो वो सारे खाली आसमान में गूंज जाती है. शायर कह रहा है कि ये सारी चीज़ें आसमान में जब सारा शोर होता है तो आसमान को बहुत खूबसूरत बना देते हैं. The sun took a long time to set in June, so it is about the June month when two or three stars were shining bright and the birds were chirping in thrushes and bushes and flowing water and blowing wind made sounds. The poet describes how the sky is full of such beautiful things. सारे बात कर रहा है कि कैसे सारी चीज़ें सारे आसमान को खूबसूरत बना देती हैं. So dear students, now you have to underline all difficult words and your next task is you have to do exercise A1 and A2. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.